You just Googled this video because water splashed on your foot when taking a turn in your Cayenne. I'm glad to report that you've come to the right place. What just happened is caused by a clogged AC evap drain. Typically, a clogged AC drain puddles in the passenger side, but on aggressive turns it can flow through the center console onto your foot. Mine actually splashed me through the center console with ice cold water, which is why I made this video once I found the cause. I already made a guide on how to clean or trim your AC drain, so be sure to check that video out. I made this specific diagnostic video to specifically call out water coming from the center console and make the specific answer available so that it appears when people specifically search for water from the center console. I'll link the guide that you'll need to fix the AC drain now in the top right corner. It's also linked in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.